Hi everybody, welcome back. Today I wanted to pack with you guys, and the bag that I'm using is the Fawn Design Mini in Dusty Blue. You guys, I never thought I was a blue bag person, but here I am with Dusty Blue. It's a very pretty color, and if you guys didn't know, the Dusty Blue, the mini and the full size, is a matte finish. I have another bag to show you guys. I hope you guys can see that. This one is pebble, this one is smooth. Hope you guys could see the difference there between the two. And I am really liking this bag, so I wanted to show you guys how I packed it. I'm not using a bunch of little pouches to keep it organized. I'm using all of the internal slip pockets that comes with this bag so you guys can see. I'm only using one pouch, and that's for snacks. So I wanted you guys to see that you don't need pouches to use this bag. You know, the internal organization that comes with this works just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the attached messenger straps that come with it. Okay, so I always start with the outside pockets. With the Fawn Design Minis, I like to pack from the outside in, because if I pack from the inside, it could fill up quickly and become too tight and nothing can fit on the outside pockets. So I like to start from the outside first. And of course, my usual, I just put lip products in here. It fits great for that. And then the front slip pocket, I will put tissues and hand sanitizer. Let's get on to the inside of the bag. It opens around like this, all the way around, folds back, and you can see the entire inside of the bag, which I have always loved about the Fawn. So I'm gonna start with that back slip pocket. I'm gonna put 2 pull-ups and a changing pad. This one came with the Tote Savvy. I like to fold it up like this. It's thin, it's light, so I like to use this one. So the diapers are in, and then behind that, I'm gonna slide in the changing pad. And there we go. And I'm gonna start packing up all of the slip pockets first so you guys can see how I pack those up. I'm gonna start with these front 2. And in one of them, I'm just going to put some stickers and little notepads and crayons. And there that goes. And beside that one, I'm going to put utensils. And I'm actually just gonna squeeze in my Tylenol. There they go. And this bag also has 2 side slip pockets, and in those slip pockets I'm going to put in 2 water bottles, one for each of my kids. These are what they look like. And there they are inside the bag. And this bag comes with a little key clasp right there. I'm not gonna put my keys on there. What I'm actually gonna clip onto there right now is this disposable baggies. So there they go. And all I have left is the center portion of this bag. And in there, I'm going to put my wipes. And the next thing I'm gonna put in there is my snack pouch for both kids. And I thought this was so cute, Cinderella in this pretty blue bag. Love that. I'm just gonna slide that in. And that's in there. And that's all I take. I do have my wallet. I have a smaller one that I kind of just throw in on top like this. But you guys see, I still have a lot of room on top left. I could even put a spare change of clothes for my 2-year-old in there. And I think if you had like a full-size wallet, you could just lay it on top and it will fit too. So I'm surprised with how much room there is left. I'm really enjoying packing it without these pouches, besides the one for my snacks, but I'm really liking it. And like I said, still extra room for a lot of other things. I'm gonna zip this around. And my phone, I can slide into these outside slip pockets. They're a snug fit, but I actually kind of just slide it right there and it works just fine. And my keys, like I said, I didn't use the key clasp on the inside of the bag. I actually like to just clip them on the D-ring so they're out and I have easy access to them. And that's it, you guys. This bag is always great. I can't say enough things. I have so many videos packing this mini. I mean, it fits a lot. You can give it time and the bag will stretch out and you can fit a lot. So that's my packing video, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you had any questions, you can always leave them in the comments. I will try to answer them the best that I can. And if you guys haven't already, please subscribe and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.